Hey guys, welcome back to Dune Sport Custom Toy Haulers. If you want to see one of the shiniest trailers you've ever seen, this 34-foot DW5PT model might be it. It's outfitted in our dark gray fiberglass. It does have the Bob Moses ceramic coating that will protect it for up to 8 years. And it's well equipped. It's got a built-in generator, solar, you name it, this trailer here has it. So along with that, it has 14 foot of cargo inside. So it should haul any side-by-side on the market. So looking up here in the front, we've got two electric landing gear, two motors. It's got a 5,500 watt generator, like I said, taller 30-pound propane bottles. It's got the shelf above the generator. Battery cutoff switch is in this compartment here. You've got taller pass-through storage. So in this pass-through storage, we have a rigid 200 PSI air compressor. Every baggage door has magnetic catches. It's got a sewer hose carrier, a tornado rotary tank rinser, standard water heater, a hot and cold spray port, some added outlets on the outside, two 8,000-pound axles with G-rated tires. You got the Road Armor shock absorbing equalizers for a smoother ride. Fuel pump station, that's 30 gallons. It also feeds the generator. A ladder that takes you to the roof to clean off your 400 watts of solar. We've got a rear ramp door awning with the American flag logo on the ramp door. Got some upgraded Lippert solid steps, a keypad entry lock, and magnetic catches on the entry door. Also a barbecue grill quick connect. Now let's show you the inside. We'll start us off in the front bedroom this time. So looking at the front bedroom, we've got a queen walk-around bed, wardrobes on each side, plenty of room to move around in this bedroom here. You've got 6'6" ceiling height, a 32-inch TV there at the foot of the bed, and underneath this mattress here, we've got all of our power. So two AGM batteries totaling 400 amp hours, a couple transfer switches, and a 2,000 watt inverter. And this is where you start your generator and inverter at the foot of the bed here. So this trailer does have two air conditioners, one here in the bedroom, one in the living quarters. Here at the foot of the bed, we also have an added wardrobe closet. So a nice and tall storage space with some full depth drawers below. Heading over to the bathroom, we have a bathroom sliding door that saves a ton of space. We have a good sized vanity there, a 4x3 shower with our skylight to bring in a lot of natural light. Makes this bathroom feel a lot larger. Porcelain toilet, it's a Dometic 310. Plenty of storage here in this vanity. You've got a bank of full depth drawers all the way down, and a sink cover here to give you more counter space if you need it. In the rear end here, we have a cross breeze screen wall that just pulls straight down. Works awesome to keep the bugs out while your ramp door is open. Queen bed above, opposing sofas for your bottom bunk. We've got a 6-foot folding sofa here that converts to a bed, a couple of Euro recliners, and a post table. And check this out, we've got a swivel mount TV in the ceiling that you can turn left or right, depending upon which direction you want it to face. So you can see it better from the sofa or the Euro recliners for a better viewing. So who doesn't love counter space? You got a 2-foot extension on this end, bam. And then you have a 1-foot extension on this end, giving you 12 feet of countertop. We've got a dual basin under mount sink, so you can choose single or dual basin, whichever you prefer. So you got plenty of space to work with in this kitchen. You've got a 10 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge here in the kitchen. It's a real nice residential feeling fridge, plenty of room. And then next to it here, we have a pantry. So if you're looking to add more storage, this is a nice way to add some to a standard floor plan. Again, full depth drawers throughout this whole trailer. So the pantry, the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom, they all have full depth drawers. And then some more storage here below for crock pots or coffee maker. So we can build your overhead cabinets taller, or we can take the end caps to the ceiling like you see here. This creates a cubby above each overhead cabinet to where you can stuff blankets or pillows and have more storage. So that does it, guys. Thanks for watching. That'll conclude this episode. Feel free to reach out to our sales team anytime with any questions. Have a great day.